Unless a donkey has had a wild night out, eating grass and eating its own crap. What the hell am I supposed to be saying? It's obviously been smoking some marijuana and cooking some pot. Don't do it, kids. Don't do it. Unless a donkey has had a wild night out, going spelunking and doing bungee jumping. You normally, as a donkey, just having a normal shit. But this donkey has clearly had a wild night out. Eating bread, drinking alcohol.
I'm a Blue Peace representative. Stop making documentaries about shit.
I'm David Attenborough. Fight me!
Come on.
Eating alcohol and drinking some bread. Oh, it's foul. Cut! Donkey poo, like this. Unless a donkey has a wild night out, drinking bread and eating alcohol. Oh shit! Climb up the tree! Go, go, go!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Get up, get up! Bring me the camera! We're gonna get a Grammy for this! Oh my god!
Oh no! Oh no!
Here we can see this sexually charged donkey aiming for these innocent bystanders. And as you can see, we are in the tree. He's
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!